Hey, what's up, everyone? Figured this would be a good teaching lesson. So I'm working on the state guide spreadsheet with all the, the laws for tax sale overages, mortgage overages, putting in notes, all that good stuff. This is the Florida statute for tax sale overages. So you have right here the disbursement of proceeds of a sale, and this kind of just outlines everything that um, how the fund should be taken care of when there's money left over from a tax deed sale. Usually there's, when there's funds at the county level, there's usually a statute, right? And this would be the statute that would govern surplus funds. And then there's usually another statute for mortgage overages. And then there's a statute for unclaimed property, which is money that's usually in the possession of the state. Now, I want to make this video because it's really important, very good lesson here. This statute, that talks about surplus funds from a tax deed sale, at the very bottom, the very last sentence, it says, the clerk must process the surplus funds in the manner provided in Chapter 717. Regardless of whether the legal title holder is a resident of the state or not. So what does this mean? This is interesting because it says that the funds need to be processed in accordance with Chapter 717. And 717 is a whole nother statute. So if you go to Google, you just type in Florida State Statute 717. Google that. This is the statute for unclaimed property. So this is very interesting because usually there's a statute for funds held at county from tax sales, the statute held at funds from mortgage overages, and the statute held at state. Well, just that one sentence changes everything. And so now you have to read through this statute to figure out, okay, what's going on here, what I need to do, blah, blah, blah. Right here, this part right here talks about powers of attorney. Here you see here, there's a limit. If you're using a power of attorney, there's a limit on the fees and the costs you can provide to 20%. So why do I share this with you? Basically, reading a statute is very important because one sentence can change everything. The statute will often determine what strategy you're going to go into or what you're going to use, and it will determine what documents to use too. So like reading this statute, I would not use a power of attorney when going after tax sale overages in Florida. I didn't show you, but the statute for mortgage overages talks about specifically using assignments and specific verbiage that needs to be in assignments. And because of that, I would not use assignments or an assignment form in Florida when going after mortgage overages. So it's really important just to know the state laws and, what applies to what, because, there's just so many subtle things that could change the whole game or the whole strategy that you would use when working a state. So I wanted to share that with you. I'm working really hard to upload everything. I've uploaded probably 4 new videos today into the course, and I'm really pushing to get the course 100% done this week or next week. And so once that happens, the price is going to go up. And but I appreciate those that have been patient, that have bought the course, and are patient and waiting for everything to come up online. And then of course I'm working on this. This has been a pain, but it'll be really good, really useful. It'll be like an active thing where you just click on the link and it'll take you to the actual website so you can read the statute and everything. So that'll be in the course. If you want to get in before the prices go up, go to www.overagecourse.com. All right, thanks guys.